Okay, good morning guys. Magluto na pud ta og laing ulam, sarsyadong pitsay. So first, garlic. And then the onion. The tomatoes. And then the green onion. We're gonna add a steam first. Of the pichay. Steam the pichay first. Okay. The leaves. So, hindi natin gusto na maano siya, malata or become super soft. So, now, egg, beaten eggs first. Or overcook ba? So we just leave like that first. And we're gonna cook the egg. Ato sa luto ng itlog guys, kaya di ta gusto nga ma-overcook ang pichay. Okay. Cook already, so we're gonna mix it together. And then we're gonna add the black pepper. And then oyster sauce. It's yummy, guys. It's super yummy. Our sarsyadong pitsay, guys. Okay, guys. So, I'm going to taste first if it's ready. We need just a little, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. It's yummy now. Okay, so this is it. Our sarsyadong pichay is done. Okay, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna off the and taste it. It's yum. Sarsyadong pichay. It's yummy. Simple lang na pagkain guys, but it's yummy, okay? So if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, TheBroJack, to my Instagram, _bro_jack, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.